Today is truly a special day because what you are about to discover can change everything. Your angels have an urgent message for you. You know that person who occupies your thoughts? The one who stirs your heart and leaves you breathless? Well, they are thinking of you right now. And it's not just any thought. It's a deep desire to open up, to reveal what's been kept in their heart. They feel a connection that goes beyond, as if your souls were made to meet. Amidst so much hardness in the world, you are the relief, the gentleness they need. And today, I will show you how that connection can be the key to something much greater. Stay with me until the end and subscribe to the channel if you are not already subscribed, because what you are going to hear now goes beyond what you imagine. You have always been so careful and present. You are not the kind of person who acts rudely or distantly. They feel that in you they notice your way of being, which is so special, so unique. And do you know what's curious? You also feel that same energy. Because deep down, you truly care about them. There's something deeper happening, as if your souls are communicating with each other, something that goes beyond words. It is a connection that cannot be explained, but that is felt. It's that sensation of being connected in a way that touches the heart. They think about you a lot, and it's not just occasionally, it's all the time. In the morning, when the first rays of sunlight come through the window, the first thing on their mind is you. And at night, when the world becomes calmer and silence takes over, it's you once again who occupies their thoughts. Their feeling is something strong, intense. It's not just liking, it's feeling, it's caring in a deep way. Have you ever caught yourself thinking about her during the day, at night, in random moments, wondering where all this might lead you? It's as if thoughts of her also linger in the air, in a constant back and forth. You wonder if she thinks of you the same way, if she also has the question in her mind about what the future holds for the two of you. What is fascinating about this story is that in some way it seems like you two are synchronized, as if both are trying to find the balance between waiting and acting, between wanting and holding back. You don't want to appear desperate, so you try to stay calm, holding the reins of your own heart a bit. Maybe that's why you take time to respond, waiting for the right moment, trying not to rush. When you encounter this situation, you notice something interesting happening. Maybe she sent a message, and instead of responding immediately, you feel the need to wait a bit, to give some space before answering. The curious thing is that it seems she does the same. Both of you are balancing in a subtle dance, where each offers a bit of space to the other, but at the same time, both try to keep the communication alive. This exchange of moments, where there isn't always direct contact, creates a reflection between the two of you. It's almost as if both are waiting for the other to make the next move, but without wanting to seem like they are rushing things. This creates a very peculiar and, in a way, beautiful mirroring. The most touching thing here is that, even with this distance, with this pause between responses, there is a deep connection. You wish for everything to work out, and she shares this wish as well. It isn't just a matter of sympathy or superficial interest. The feelings you share are genuine and, above all, reciprocal. She thinks of you as much as you think of her, and this creates an invisible yet powerful bond between the two of you. What is happening here is a roller coaster of feelings. On one hand, you feel that deep affection, an overflowing tenderness. And yes, she also feels something strong for you, something that can't be ignored. The question that keeps hammering in your head is, why aren't things between us flowing as they should? It feels like, even though there's this bond, there's a lack of that little push, that forward movement. Look, on her end, the situation is a bit more complicated. She's there with a full heart, but also a full mind. There are some pieces of her life that are a bit loose, some ends she feels she needs to tie up. It's not that she doesn't want to be with you, but she doesn't want to throw you into the middle of the chaos she's facing. She wants everything to be in place, wants to resolve these things first, so she can be genuinely present, body and soul. And man, all of this demands energy. Not just physical, but emotional as well. Reorganizing life is not easy. There are some wounds we need to heal, some bonds that need to be redone, some stories that need to be resolved. She's on this journey of trying to get everything in order, and that takes time. She's not trying to stall or flee, but to gain a bit of time to organize what's going on in her mind and heart. Her life somehow seems like a tangle of thoughts and feelings she needs to undo before taking the next step. Does that make sense? For her, each move, each decision, needs to be made carefully. And then there's you, a serene presence, someone who seems to bring peace amid this internal chaos. It's as if, when she thinks of you, she finds a point of calm. And look, this obsession with thoughts isn't something light. It's like you are the central point she can't get out of her mind. She wants you in such an intense way that when she thinks about feelings, everything seems to revolve around, I want to be close, I want to make it work, I see a future by your side. It's not just a passing wish. She truly envisions a life with you. The desire to be with you is so clear in her mind that even the future seems easier to imagine. She wants to build, she genuinely wants to try, she wants something to be born between you two. This person is certain that you are that special someone, the person chosen by God to be by her side. She feels that you are the partner with whom she wants to share her life, with whom she wants to build a future full of simple and precious moments, like those Sunday lunches or a peaceful dinner at home after a hectic day. She feels deeply connected to you. She feels an attraction that goes beyond the physical. It's that sensation that you understand each other, that there's an inexplicable harmony between the two of you. She can imagine you alongside her friends, laughing, having fun, being part of her life in such a natural way that it seems like it's always been that way. She sees you walking with her, hand in hand, in any situation, both in moments of celebration and in those when life seems heavy. And that's what makes everything so intense, so real. The feeling she has is something she doesn't feel for just anyone. It's unique. She feels that you are the missing piece, that you fit together as if you were made for each other. And the most beautiful part is that you feel the same way. There is mutual affection, a genuine desire to be together, to care, and to take care of each other. When you think about each other, it's not just a fleeting memory, but a thought that warms the heart, that makes the day a little lighter, a little happier. The love that you feel is more than words can explain. It is a desire to be together, a wish to build something that lasts, something that has meaning. Because deep down, you know that it's not just any relationship, it's something strong, something worthwhile. What you have is rare and powerful, and both of you know that. It's something that makes you want to protect it, to cultivate it. And this feeling, this mutual certainty, is what makes everything so special. As time goes by, everything starts to take shape, gaining rhythm, flowing naturally. She will act, and when that happens, things will really start to move. At that point, it's not about chasing or trying to force anything. She has something in mind, a plan, an intention to come to you to get closer. It will become obvious that she wants to be by your side, that you are her focus. And what do you need to do? Just keep being yourself, taking care of yourself, valuing yourself, putting your well-being as a priority. Stay in that energy of self-love, of genuine joy, of solid confidence. This type of vibration is what will lift you, make you feel more alive, more complete, more in tune with who you really are. It will bring a strength from within, a sensation that you can conquer anything. And it is precisely this vibration that will attract this person. It's not about changing who you are, but rather connecting more deeply with what is best in you. And then she will come. She will feel this energy and will be attracted to it. The only thing you need to do is to keep being yourself. It's impressive to think about how everything unfolds. The way she will approach is of unique beauty. She feels that you have something special, something that takes her breath away. Yes, that's right. You are the person who leaves her speechless, who makes her feel that you are the perfect fit. It's almost as if she thinks, it's you, no doubt. When she reflects on who you are, on your essence, it becomes clear to her, I couldn't be happier that it's you. Deep down, she is resolving pending issues, perhaps matters from the past that need to be finalized. And she is doing this with the thought that, when everything is in order, she will come to you without hesitation. She will want to make things happen, to be close, to make everything more real. She will approach, yes, you can believe it. There is no need for hurry or anxiety. Everything will happen at the right moment. Destiny has its own way of making things fit, and you just need to trust the flow. She will come to you, exactly as it should be. Look, I know you've been a bit lost, maybe thinking that things are moving too slowly, almost as if time is dragging. But look, there is something different here, something special. The truth is that the person you are waiting for, this person who occupies your thoughts, is approaching, but in her own way. It may not be as fast as you wanted, but the energy she brings with her is strong and is moving in your direction. If you find yourself asking, does she really want to be with me? The answer is clearer than ever. Yes, she does. And it's not just wanting for the sake of wanting. It's wanting truly, with the intention of making something real, something concrete. You are beginning to realize that the pieces of this puzzle are coming together in a way that makes perfect sense, almost as if the universe is conspiring in favor. And look, things are just getting started. There's much more coming, and it's good stuff. Soon, you will see this person approaching with a sincere desire to make things happen. It will be something that will excite you in a way you might not expect. You might even be surprised to feel that warmth in your chest, that feeling that everything is finally falling into place. You will feel more secure, more confident, as if a new strength is taking over you. And the most beautiful part is that this approach won't be something planned, meticulous. It will be spontaneous, natural, as if destiny is giving that little push. You will notice this so clearly that when it happens, it will seem like it was meant to be from the beginning. Maybe they will make you a proposal, maybe they will come up with something that will catch you by surprise, but it will be in their own way, in their own time, and you will understand why. And there's more, you know? There is a very strong spiritual force supporting this meeting, something that comes from your angels, your guardian angel. They are by your side, making everything align in the right way. It's not just a coincidence. There is something greater behind all of this, something predestined. And as time goes by, you will start to perceive that what seemed impossible to understand will begin to make sense. You will see that there is much more happening behind the scenes than you ever imagined. All of this might catch you by surprise, but in a good way. It will be that kind of surprise that makes the heart beat faster, that makes the eyes shine with expectation. The love you share, even if it is still blossoming or strengthening, has enormous power. It opens doors to moments and experiences that go beyond what you expected. It is that kind of love that transforms, that elevates, that makes you see the world in a different way. And if everything I said here seemed to resonate deep within your heart, maybe it's because this message was truly meant for you. If you felt this connection, this vibration, leave your comment here. Write like this: everything led me to you. Allow your spirit to absorb these words and feel them resonate deeply within you. The universe wishes the best for you and will ensure a positive outcome, no matter what your choice is. Leave a positive comment for other viewers who may need a boost of positivity in their day. The universe sees this as an act of kindness. Let's lift each other up and create waves of good energy together. If you are not yet subscribed to the channel, subscribe right now and stay tuned for the important message that awaits you in the next video. May God and the universe illuminate your steps with peace, love, and faith. Amen.